So you mentioned at the beginning that you contracted with RKON for our virtual Chief Information Security Officer or CISO program, right? So, there's many aspects of cybersecurity. You have the strategy for risk management, then you have the delivery controls, the monitoring, things of that nature, right? So what drove you to create and contract with RKON for a virtual CISO? Like how does that play into your strategy? And then what are you getting out of it?
Yeah, I think, you'd asked a question earlier about, what do you insource and what do you outsource? And I think vCISO is a great example of bringing an expertise from a company like RKON, who has a lot of cycles. They've seen a lot of things, and bringing them in an advisory and an oversight role has been great. We get a risk register that we review weekly. We're able to feed data points into the vCISO program and kind of get a singular picture of our cybersecurity footprint. I think it's a good opportunity to leverage expertise that is universal across many types of businesses.